Got something in the mail, and it is our throttle cable for the tiller. This one's a little worse for wear. It was actually working, and then the line popped off, and I've been using a pair of pliers to move that. So up here it looks like it's just these two screws holding the contraption down. Get this split apart so it'll slide off. You can see how it's naturally bent here. If I can straighten this. There we go. And you know what I didn't do? I didn't put my holder on. So this is closed. So let's put this to closed. Is there. Alright, so that's closed. Screw this nut in. This is rubbing a lot on the edge of that collet. I'm wondering if I can make the range of motion further out so that I don't have so much rubbing. This action should be less rubbing. So let's do that and see what it does. That seems better. Tighten this piece here up. See if it still operates freely. It does, but it's rubbing a lot down here. So let me see if I can get this adjusted. That seems better. There we have it. Throttle to place.